Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Call of Duty Warzone on PS5. So all we need to do is simply go up into the menu and at the very top and select the search icon. Then all we need to do is search Call of Duty now. Warzone will not come up if you search Warzone. So look up Call of Duty, then just select the first option for Call of Duty. Once we get to Call of Duty, rather than having to purchase it, go to the right where you see the three dots, select that, and then select Call of Duty Warzone. Once it loads, select download, then just select the version that you're downloading. So I'm going to download the PS5 version, and then just select install here. Then it will start downloading and installing Warzone on your PlayStation 5. From here, you can select continue and hit the PlayStation button on your controller to go back home, and you can play other games or anything like that. Once it's been downloaded and installed, you'll be able to play Warzone on your PlayStation, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.